What's up, world? Mr. Da Vinci here, back with another video. We're going to continue how to make money on Instagram. Now, last time we left off, we was on the Instagram profile where I showed you how to set it up, what to put in the bio, where to post your Bitly link. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a post and how to get free organic traffic to your Instagram page for free. You can do this as much as you want, anytime you want. And I believe that you can have up to 5 different profiles on Instagram. Now, before we continue, I created another profile only because in the last video, I lost the login information. So I said, I'm just going to go ahead and make a second one. So without further ado, let's continue on. So as we continued on in the video, we said that we was going to promote weight loss affiliate offers. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our demographic and we're going to look what they want to look for. So as you see, I'm on Google. I typed in lose weight quotes. Here's some good quotes that I can use. I'll probably come back to this. Actually, I will come back to this. But we're going to go to images and we're going to look for something that's relatable to the target audience that we're looking to get to click on the offer. So let's see. I'm not losing weight. I'm getting rid of no attention. Alright, this is good. Let's start with this. So you're just gonna go to Google, save image. Now I will tell you some of these are copyrighted, but I mean there's like 7 billion people in the world, so they're not really gonna mind. But just keep in mind that some of this is copyrighted, so be careful on which images you choose to promote. So now that we got that saved, we got everything in the bio, got our affiliate offer in the bio. We're going to click on the plus, click on that. All right. And we're going to say, learn. Let's put something to catch the attention. So, all right. Learn how you can accomplish your 2019 weight loss goals. And we'll put exclamation so they know that we're being very enthusiastic. All right, so now we're going to go to hashtags. The many things I like about Instagram is that they show you how many people is in this hashtag. So if we type in weight loss, all these different categories pop up. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do a few, but whatever your niche or whatever industry that you're going in to promote your affiliate offer, you should definitely use that. But for this video, I'm just going to go with all that has a big category or big number of audience. If we can get 1% of this potential 27 million, that'd be a nice chunk of change that'd be coming to our affiliate offer. So give me a second. I'm just going to click on a few of these here. And if you're watching this, feel free to tag along, or whatever your niche is, you can just type it in here. So I'm going to do a few weight loss, and then we're going to switch it up because there's more than people who's looking for weight loss. But I'm going to show you that once I finish. Weight loss motivation, that's a good one. Weight loss, let's keep going. Any more? Weight loss challenge, that's going to be a real good one. Weight loss. We're just looking for ones that we feel could have potential. Now, some people might tell you that you should go for the lesser ones that got like 139,000, 146,000. You know what? Weight loss diet. Those are cool too, but we want to go for ones that's going to get a lot of attention, where a lot of people's going. You want to go to where the people are, not have the people come to you. If you can have the people come to you, that's a plus, but you're going to need money for that. And I'm trying to show you how you can do this with no money. So we're going to add weight loss goals. I'll do like 3 more, then I'm going to switch it up to a different hashtag. All right, let's see. Did weight loss goal, weight loss inspiration, weight loss. Let's see, keep going. Weight loss help. Alright, so now I said 3, but I did 2. So now we're gonna type in lose weight. And as you can see, this isn't really a popular one, but there is still a potential audience. Like right here, lose weight now. Keep going, lose weight. See if we can find another one. Hold on. Alright, lose weight. And let's see if we can find another one. Alright, we'll just use that. So now we know that all the hashtags that we use, out of all these, I believe Instagram lets you do up to 30, but if you do all 30, you can potentially get shadow banned. Now, as long as I've been on Instagram, which is going on 5 years, I haven't been shadow banned, and I got like 4 or 5 different accounts, so I recommend you use 30, but just in that case that you feel it could be that you might get shadow banned and you just got a fresh new page, I say at the minimum keep it to like 20, 25 hashtags. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to stop here and we're going to hit OK. Next, we're going to add location. Now, what I recommend you do is if you have an affiliate offer, you click, there's a link. I have to show you in the next video, but there's a link underneath that where the people whose offer you're promoting gives you your target demographic. But for the sake of time, we're just going to type in US because a lot of people, no offense, is obese. Then we're going to hit share. Down here, you can connect your Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr if you like. That's optional. I'll leave it up to you. So it says that it has posted on our page. Yep. And now we just sit back, let the traffic come to us. Eventually, right now, it's still taking time, but let's go to the profile. So now we're all set up. We're good to go. We got our description. We got our bio. We made our first post. We're targeting people in the U.S. So that is how you get started with how to make money on Instagram. How to promote your ClickBank affiliate marketing offer on Instagram for free using organic traffic by, like I just showed you, typing the hashtag, posting relatable quotes or pictures of people who's, since I'm in weight loss, it will be pictures of people who had a tummy, but then they ended up losing weight because I'm targeting my demographic. I'm showing them that it's possible for them too. And I think that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your time. I know there's a lot of things you could be doing, but you chose to spend it with me. Make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know, have you tried the strategy? Is it something that you're looking to do? What niche are you looking to get into? And if you see someone else who got a comment with a question, make sure that you help them out below. That's what we're all about on this channel. Help your boy out. Definitely hit a like. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you. Mr. Da Vinci, signing off.